Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kihe nong Ïalam jongka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya State Unit haka hinyo tarik unailor arajar khat khandai kila pediang puram ya saungut ki MDC jongka United Democratic Party na Giant Hills Autonomous District Council ki bala penyesok pura ya ladi syaga BJP. Kini ki saungut ki MDC jongka UDP na Rilom Giantia ki kentup yo chairman bamenta jongka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council Uma Lakhon Biam, Uma Dawan Lengdo, Uma Krison Langstang, bat uma tre lang suchang. Ha kejinga lang pediang buram kepala long ha office tre kam jong ke BJP hanong ba shalong, la sakhi lang dau nong ai ktien ke BJP, unalin koli, u president ke BJP Meghalaya State Unit, uma Shibon Lengdo, ki MLA ke BJP bakan tup yo ba Alexander L. Heck, bat u ba Sanbor Shulai, bat ki nong kit kam jong ke party. Kat kum ke jinge tho jong kinong Ïalam ke BJP kindang don shushu salai ngut ki MDC na Rilom Giantia ki banwan penyeso bat ke BJP hakapa ke jinge kran menta kadang ya chat.
BJP will have the representative in the Giantia Hills Autonomous District Council from today. We'll have our own representative there. So since we are inviting all of them that are joining the BJP, but this is our duty and responsibility from today onwards. We have to take responsibility how to strengthen the party organization on not only Giantia Hill but whole state. We are looking forward that 2023 will be a BJP-led government in Meghalaya. So today is only the beginning of the risings of BJP in our states. We have 4 now, this is only the beginning, and we have hope in the days to come. So many will come and join the BJP in future. And also we know not only the MDC, many other state leaders. We have also here by Adaman Lingdo, the former MLA, former minister of Meghalaya. He is also here. I hope he also will be in contact with me, and definitely he also soon will be a part of the family in BJP. So we have so many things are joining. Now we have also 3 MDC from Garo Hills. They are here today, but they will be taking the decisions whether when they are going to join the BJP soon. So they are already arrived here at the party office, but definitely after the meeting, soon after the adjourn of this August House, we will be sitting together and find out the strategy, how they also become a part of the family in BJP.
So this is a good sign, and the Giant Hills today, that these 4 leaders, their vision, their mission, their farsightedness, they have taken this decision that yes, for the development, for the overall development, and to fulfill the aspiration of the people of India, the people of the nation, they have witnessed it is only in the hand of the BJP. So that's why we must congratulate on behalf of every one of you, on behalf of the BJP Meghalaya. We congratulate these 4 leaders who have joined us today, and many more are joining very soon.
The joining of these 4 MDCs is something that we welcome, and we bring them into the fold to continue the agenda of the Prime Minister of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, development for all, carrying everyone along, and Sabka Vishwas, winning everyone's hearts. Whoever was final they've joined, this is not the end of the entire process. There wasn't a fixed date that anybody all would join. The media has been speculating about many things, including MLAs. We don't stop that speculation. However, as and when people join with their free will, they are welcome to join.